Hi, let's render an image without background. Go to Render Properties. You can use Eevee or Cycles. Now search for Film option. And select Transparent. Click in Render, Render Image or press F12. Wait for render. Go to Image and Save. Choose a name for your image. Select PNG format. And in color, select RGBA. Now you can save your image without background. I'm in Figma. Drag and drop the image into Figma. And you can see the image without background. I can change the background color now. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching.